In this video, I will show you how you can make notes on any PDF file on your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Files app. Now from here, just open any document. For an example, I will open this document. And after you do that, now if you have an Apple Pencil, you will be able to mark directly on the PDF file. But if you're not using an Apple Pencil, just tap on the marker icon over here and you will be able to start marking over the PDF file. Just like that. Now, if you want to fill a form in the PDF file, just tap on the fill form icon, and from here you can fill any form. Just like that. Now, if you want to add your signature on the PDF file, just tap on the plus icon over here and select Add Signature. And from here, just draw your signature. And after you do that, then just tap on Done. Now just place your signature to wherever you want. And after you do that, you will place the signature on the PDF file. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.